Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Innovational Blends. Today I'll show you my thesis portfolio and guide you on how to make your portfolio more presentable. Let me show you. First and foremost is the cover page. The cover page holds significant importance as it creates the initial impression of the portfolio. It should include the title of the portfolio along with your name. I have also added a design in the background of the cover page with reduced opacity, which represent the theme of my thesis. On the second page, I have mentioned the name of my topic and added my statement. Next comes the content section where I have listed each step that I have included in my portfolio. The first step is topic research, where I have included the key points related to the topic and a picture of my research board. Then I have included my hand-painted research board. After that, I added the stylizations, the motifs that I developed. It's important to note that in a portfolio, you don't include your entire body of work. Instead, you select the ones that you have used in your sampling and products. Although there are many stylizations I added, yet I have made sure to compose them in an appealing way, not just in a simple sequence. I have considered visual interests. Additionally, I have added some text related to each motif. Then I have included the paintings that I created as a color study of my topic using visuals. To make the presentation more beautiful, I have added some lines and designs to maintain visual interest. Afterwards, I placed the composition along with some visual representations. This way, the company and art director can understand that I have a clear vision for my designs and how they should be utilized. Next comes the important part of my sampling, where I have mentioned my techniques. I have selected 3 main techniques, which was quite challenging, but I managed to cover them. It was a lot of work and became quite hectic. In my first video, I have shared my experience and discussed the things to consider when choosing techniques. Anyway, moving forward, I have included embroidery sampling first, followed by warp printing and then open screen printing. Then comes my mood board. And then in the step of product finalization, I have showcased the material I used, which was recycled thread because my thesis focused on sustainable textiles. After that, I have added my final products along with the mock-ups. And finally, there is the display of my thesis, and that's it. I hope you liked it, and when creating your own portfolio, consider these aspects. For more videos, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.